go. What, no shaka today? Hey now, CarlTheMadman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. So Byla, the dog, and I are heading out for our daily adventure walk here. And once again, we have no clue where we're going. Just wandering around the village. Really, come along. Come along if you like. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments as well. Anyways, let's roll that way. So yesterday, I took this little car here for a drive, and we didn't think we were going to get it, but we did. So Kaitlynn is now the proud new owner of that little car. Yeah, it's not all finalized yet, but it's happening. It's exciting. Good little Honda there. Let's do the Church to Bay Trail today. What do we got there? It's a whipper ball. A wiffle ball. Wiffle ball. Wiffle ball. Wiffle ball. Wiffle ball. It's a wiffle ball. And look, sticks in the fence here too. Huh. Never noticed that before. Oh yeah, we did come up here once, I think. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. So that old retaining wall goes back a lot of years. Hey, Byla, let's go. Oh, you're tying me up. Okay, let's go. Now I'm tying you up. You going that way? I'm going this way. What the hell that was for? Oh, come here. Let's go have a look at this thing. Signage, I guess, maybe, from back in the day, although those pipes don't look that old. There's a thing on the side. A1. AI. AI? Oh my god. AI, Byla. It's AI. You going that way again? I'm going this way. Why do you keep wanting to go back that way? You little schmucklehead. You little schmucklehead. Look, there's a manhole cover. Never noticed that before either. Come on, let's go. You're all tangled up in my feet again. Come on, you little jackbutt. Get on this side, other side. Come on, over on this side. Yeah, thank you. Oh, looks like they're putting the second floor on up there. Hopefully that's a nice looking house. Hopefully. Hopefully. Where are we going, Byla? You're leading the way. You're leading. Where are we going? Where are we going? Looks like you're thinking that way. Okay, well, let's go then. Stand here all day, waiting for you to make up your mind. You're pointing in this direction, so... Oh, we went past that little nest. Oh well, we'll check on it again another day. Looks like Dingling the shaky dog wants to go up this way. So let's go up this way. This is our public beach here. The no dogs allowed public beach. It's only public if you're not a dog. If you're a dog, you're screwed. Joining a cult begins with you. There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. 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 Well, this has been pretty much a choose your own adventure chosen by Byla today. And I guess you felt like listening to traffic because we're going up along the highway, just like we came down along the highway, except we were on that side of the road. which I don't think we'd ever done before. The way to go there, Viola. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. See a kitty cat down there, Viola. I see a kitty cat. Kitty cat. All right, kitty cat. Well, there it is. Kaitlynn's new car, right there. Her new old car. Come here. Here you go. Okay, I was recording a time lapse while we were gone. All right, a couple fried egg, ham, and cheese sandwiches. On cheese buns. Cast iron frying pan, of course. Of course. Oh. Did you get the bean? Go on. It's over there. It's over there. You're getting closer. There it is. Good job. Not enough. Alright, I got a little bit of fetching with the dog kid. Got a little bit of playing in with the dog kid. Off to work now. Day 2. It's Thursday. That means it's my Tuesday. And it's a late night. I work late tonight. Gotta work late tonight. Anyways. Here we go. I got a doctor's appointment next week. 2 of them, actually. I got an eye doctor's appointment in the city on Tuesday, and I got a doctor's appointment here in the village, to see what we can do about my shoulders, which is, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned, yeah. Somebody on a bike! So, I've been thinking. I've been thinking about gratitude. Not the big flashy kind, just the quiet everyday kind. Some days it's easy. The sun is shining, good cup of coffee, Byla's goofy zoomies, or just waking up with a roof over your head and food in the fridge. Other days it's harder. The grind feels heavier. The weather is gray or snowy. You have to look a little harder to find it. I've learned that gratitude isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about noticing the small things that are still good, even when life feels ordinary or tough. It's like a quiet anchor. It doesn't fix everything, but it makes the day feel a little lighter. What are you grateful for right now? Even the tiny stuff. Let me know in the comments below. All right. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Okay?